All right, here is the ITC-1000F. I got it yesterday and it worked, and then randomly today it just didn't. So you can see here, it's reading -16,1.E. The buttons don't work at all. Now if I want to hold down power, the settings button. Nothing happens when I go here. And then same with the up arrow. Right now I've got the temperature sensor inside of a glass of cold water. When I programmed it earlier, I had it to 68 degrees, and then above that it would turn something on. So right now I got plugged up into a fan. If I take the probe out, I can actually heat it up. Once we get past -16E, and clicks on, the fan begins spinning. So if I take it off, put it back in, watch the temperature start to drop. And the fan turns back off. So again, the programming worked, and it worked for a day, and then it just all of a sudden stopped. Now the buttons don't work. And the only way I can turn it off is if I actually go for it and unplug it.